What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for new videos every week. By the way, my name is Michael, but my friends call me T-Teet. I'm a fashion photographer, a band performer, a PCX rider, a thriving entrepreneur, and a content creator. And now, I welcome you to the Michael Archangel Show. Welcome back guys, and welcome to another Motovlog edition of the Michael Archangel Show, wherein we talk and interview some of our local enthusiasts, riders, and fanatics about motorcycles. So our guest for today is a young entrepreneur, a student, and an all-around nice guy. So ladies and chinanimen, or gentlemen, put your hands together for Julius Ponte Aligato. Baby boy. And so how are you coping up with the quarantine life, you know, with your studies, your business, and love life? Ayan. So before that, mag-say hi ka muna. Mag-say hi mo sa mga friends natin dyan. Yeah. So this is our Motovlog 2, episode 2. So ayan. So thank you again guys for tuning in. So this is, by the way, this is Julius Ponte Aligato. Ayan. So he's a young entrepreneur. He's also a student. And a motorcycle enthusiast. So, yan. Balikan naman natin yung yung tanong naman natin, balikan natin yung tanong ko. Ayan. So, kumusta naman yung quarantine life mo?
Okay lang.
Okay lang daw. Pati, how about your studies? Nahihirapan ka ba sa studies mo?
Okay lang din. Medyo from balance lang.
So, yung studies mo, online pa din, no? Okay, so, ano ka na ba ngayon? Anong year ka?
Second year.
Second year college, o diba? Ayan, so kailangan nyo. Bata pa, second year college, may negosyo na siya ng bonggang-bongga. And sa second question naman, ayan, so, quarantine life, paano siya, paano ba nagiging, di kabataan kasi ngayon, ayan, kabataan ngayon, mahilig talagang magliliwaliw, magaligaga. Ayan, so anong ginagawa mo?
Yeah, since it's quarantine, so ito lang yung kinakabisihan ko, yung business and studies. Pero sometimes, gumagala rin with friends.
Paano ka nagala, di ba? Ano naman, quarantine?
Weekends.
Tapos
rides na rides.
Rides. Tapos may observe din talaga ng yung social distancing and everything, yung mga. Anyway, so paano naman yung love life mo? Are you with someone as of the moment? Are you single or single dad? Married? Yeah.
Partner.
May partner na daw si Ayan, sorry ladies, wala na kayong pag-asa. Maybe sa next life. Okay, so you're with someone as of the moment. So how long you guys been together?
Almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years. So wala na talaga kayong pag-asa. So move on na lang tayo. Our hands is itching to go on full throttle for long rides. But hopefully this is just temporary kasi di ka nga, di ba? Quarantine pa ngayon. So as soon as we get back to normal, so fingers crossed. So Ponte, let's get right to it. So our first question, when did you start having an interest with bikes? I mean, in motorcycles. Kasi hindi lang kasi sa motorcycles nag-i-interest si Ponte. He's also into bicycles. Grabe yung mga tricks and mga exhibitions sa bicycle talaga. And of course, you'll be leaving i-leave natin yung Instagram, yung Facebook niya sa baba later on, okay? So, yun. My question is, when did you start having an interest with bikes?
So, nag-start ako mag-bike na bicycle, BMX, when I was 12. Then, I got interested in the motorcycles when I think I was 15 na. Because kung yung mga tropa ko is kanang nagkakaroon ng motorcycle na, then syempre naiingit tayo pag nagra-ride sila. So, yun, when I was 18, kumuha agad ako ng lisensya, then yun, may motor na agad.
18, so meaning to say, student pa yun.
Yes, student.
Yan.
Ay, non-prof.
Non-prof. Non-prof agad? Walang student?
Student, 17, then 18.
Ayun talaga. So, kailangan talaga ha, if you're planning to get a vehicle or gusto nyo matuto mag-drive, kailangan mo munang mag-ano talaga. Kasi ngayon meron ng yung driving school, all those stuff, parang kinda mahirap na siya of the moment kung kumuha talaga ng license. So, you have to start from student permits, and after that, non-professional, and then professional if you want to level up. Ayun. So, our next question naman, Ponte. Ayan. So, who influenced you to get a bike? Tell us about that.
So, yung motor na dinadrive ko, yung Mio Sporty, is motor ng father namin. So, yan. Then, eventually, yung siblings ko is nakakuha na ng kanilang motor. Then, yun, yung old motor nila na Mio is doon.
Binigay sa'yo?
Binigay na sa akin.
Parang hand-me-downs talaga.
Hand-me-down.
From damit to sapatos, hand-me-down. Puro pa kayo lalaki. Ilan kayong magkakapatid pala?
Yung eldest namin is babae.
Girl.
Nasa Singapore. Then, dalawang brother ko magkasunod din. Ako yung youngest.
So, 4 kayo? 4. Youngest.
Hand-me-down
Spoiled!
talaga.
Spoiled. Ganun talaga. Di ba? Dito sa Pilipinas ay hand-me-downs talaga. Ang mga ginagamit ng mga ng nakakatanda sa'yo, ibibigay talaga sa'yo. Pero love na love ka naman.
Actually, yung motor ko ngayon, yung Soul I 125 is yung old na motor din ng isang kuya ko. Then, kumuha siya ng ADV. Tapos, yan, pinigay din sa akin.
Di ba? Di ba? Para siyang blessing din kung ikaw yung bunsong kapatid. Kasi lahat ng mga gamit ng mga kapatid mo, nakakata ng kapatid mo, binibigay talaga sa'yo. So, yun. Okay, so let's move on to our next question. Yeah, so, there are lots of motorcycle communities out there. Dami talaga. Ayan, so, lalo-lalo na dito sa Cebu. Ayan, so, are you a member of any?
Yes. Yung coach or mentor ko na si Louie, since sa bike pa siya yung coach ko, then yung nakita niya na nagsisimula na rin ako magmotor, so he invited me to a track day sa kart zone.
Wow.
Then yun, na-discover ko yung track riding, circuit racing. Then yun, interested ako. Then invited me to join their group na 9 Spades Ballistics.
So would you like to say hi to your group naman? Hello. So what's the name of the group?
9 Spades.
9 Spades, yung spades sa baraha. Okay, so
it's a flex. Kaya yung members dito is, I think nasa 10 lang kami.
Okay,
I think ma-consider siya as an elite na scooter group.
Wow, elite.
Kasi yung nandito is, yung members dito is si Louie Caminero, yung The Missile sa TCH. Then yung TCH King, si Edward Ango. Then owner ng Oz Racing, si Mr. Zandro Fardo. Owner ng Padesive, si Dave Saison. Then owner ng Druid, si Dars Diaz. Then nung minalcome nila ako sa group is magkasabay kami ni Jet Li.
Wow, grabe bigatin talaga tong interview natin ngayon. So sa mga hindi po alam kung ano yung kart zone. Kart zone is a circuit track. There you go. So doon po palagi nagre-race po yung mga racers katulad nito. Katulad ni Ponte. Ayan po. So bonggang-bongga talaga yun doon. Ayun, so let's move on with our next question. Ayan. So, aside from the adrenaline or the wind against your face, the engine between your legs, so what are the things that excites you when you drive? Diba, meron naman talaga tayong kahiligan kung lahat tayo, mga riders, meron tayong gusto na bakit gusto natin mag-drive, bakit palagi tayong back and forth tayo sa Trans-Central Highway. There's a reason behind. Bakit? Sa'yo naman ano?
So, number 1 is yung adrenaline talaga. So, I consider myself as an adrenaline junkie na gustong-gusto talaga yung mga extreme na sports. So, yung sa adrenaline na part is, grabe talaga yung adrenaline, especially if you're racing sa kart zone kasi yung pressure na dala ng kalaban mo, ng everything. So, yan, sa ibang part naman is, pag nagra-ride ka is, na-feel mo talaga yung freedom na mapupuntahan mo kung saan yung gusto mong puntahan. Ganyan.
Totoo. So, I totally agree. And basing on his Instagram posts, ang dami niyang mga videos doon. Pero most sa mga Instagram posts niya, hindi siya nagbumotor, he's into BMX. So, tanong ko, since you said na you're an adrenaline junkie, ilang beses ka na disgrasya or dislocatan ka ng buto-buto dyan?
Sa BMX kay di na mabilang. Pero minor injury lang. Then sa motor, na-discuss siya one time sa PSH. One time pero hindi rin ganong grabe.
Okay. So yeah, let's move on guys. Grabe talaga no. Hindi naman talaga natin maiwasan yung pagdidisgrasya, but at some point kailangan din natin talaga mag-defensive driving sa kay ano naman kay Ponte naman. So sa BMX, ano mga things na kailangan mo to iwasan?
Sa bike is importante talaga yung helmet. Yes, kahit naka-city ride lang, so dapat mag-wear tayo ng safety gears, especially helmet.
And since you're an enthusiast by heart, this place needs no further introduction. So tell me about your thriving business and when did you start?
So I started my business back in 2016. Yung clothing business ko is more on BMX siya na designs din. BMX talaga yung roots. Then ngayon, yung brother ko is nag-start ng helmet business. More into classic din kasi mahilig siya sa classic.
Vintage. Ayan. So basically, like 3 of my friends already purchased their helmets here and I bought my gloves here because they're very comfy and I like it a lot. Shirts lang, ito lang mga apparels mo, mga RTW. So aside from that, ano pa bang mga merch mo?
Ngayon is we're planning to be out to have jersey design para mo-cut siya sa motorcycle.
You're planning to have your own line of jerseys for motorcycles. Anyway, so let's move on. So I know there are a lot of new riders out there, diba? Ang dami talaga. Grabe, ang dami. So what are some advices you could give? Especially nowadays, ang dami ng mga motorcycle accidents.
Aware ka lang talaga sa road na dinadrive mo, then promote safety riding din, yung dapat naka-full face helmet, gears.
At saka huwag kalimutan guys, defensive driving. Before we end this motovlog interview, of course, you want to plug your social media accounts?
Yung Facebook ko is Ponte Aligato, yung Instagram at Ponte Aligato. Then, pwede rin kayo mag-subscribe sa YouTube ko at Ponte Aligato din. So, yung YouTube ko is more into BMX contents, pero may ibang motovlog din ako doon.
Tell me din kung saan po nakalocate yung shop.
Yung shop namin is located in 709 Katipunan Street, sa Cebu City. So, pwede niyong ma-search sa Google Maps, Rad Times.
Rad Times, that's RADTIMES. And of course, you can also drop them a visit. And of course, huwag niyo din kalimutan mag-share and like sa kanilang Facebook page. That's Rad Times PH. Am I correct? Rad Times PH. So guys, thank you so much and I hope you had a great time. We'll see you again on our next vlog. This is Michael the Archangel and of course together with Ponte Aligato here. Peace out!